It's a big one.
Big bat, yeah.
Yeah, it was lying upside down on its
Do you mind if
head.
I video?
Sorry?
Do you mind if I video doing this?
Yeah, no, go ahead.
Right, video. So it was on the building site?
It's in the shed on the floor. It shouldn't be able to fly, but you never know.
Oh, it can't fly out of here like this because they can't stand up and they need wing strokes to get some height and they need to be able to manoeuvre. But it's just...
I did put some apples in there. I didn't completely,
usually they're concussed and they don't really eat much, especially crunchy things when they're concussed.
Oh, okay. Do you think it's a bit dehydrated?
Probably, but I've got some juice for it. Doesn't smell like a boy.
It's moving.
Hello? Hello? What did you do to yourself?
Actually, do you mind if I get a picture as well?
No, I don't mind at all. Hello, mate. Hello. Hello, sweetheart. Hello, what did you do to yourself? You've been on a construction site, haven't you? You've got building goo all over you.
This is the type of field this store I really like to see.
Okay, I think you've got a girl. Oh yeah, you've got a female. This is an adult female.
Okay.
And she'll have to have a bit of a bath to get all the construction stuff off her because the cement eats holes in their wings.
Okay, yeah.
Here we are. How's that? Look at that. So she's a mum, and she's probably left her baby back in the colony.
Oh, okay. We didn't see anything around it, but it could be possible they're up in the installation in the shed or something.
She's probably left it in the colony, where the bats live, like in trees.
Yeah.
Did that go down the wrong way, sweetheart? Here we are.
Aren't you worried about... I guess you're all...
Well, I'm not worried about getting bitten. Scratching, it's harder to avoid getting scratched, but I'm good at handling. Now, is that better? Why is it coming out your nose? Can I have a look in your mouth? Can I have a look?
Yeah.
I don't know why it's coming out of her nose, why she's not swallowing it properly. She's also had some dirt in her eyes. That eye particularly, she might have an ulcer in, because it looks wet to me. And I just don't know what she's done to her mouth that's snotting out her nose. Let me have a look. That's better. Juice. Juice, apple juice. Apple and blackcurrant, I think. I entertain myself. I get a different juice each time. Okay, this, you can just chuck that away or wash it or do whatever you do with it. It's not infected with anything.
Okay, now we'll just...
Are you holding on to that? Hold on to me instead. Sweetheart, hold on to me. Where? Here. Hook onto me. There we are. There we are.
So you get a lot of these bats?
Yeah.
Stranded like this?
Well, they can't fly off the ground, so once they've managed to crash... There, see, she's going more. See, she wants more. Once they've managed to crash onto the ground, it's a matter of either being able to climb somewhere. Can you hold on to this for me, sweetheart? This is what I want you to do. Like that. Put your feet around that. Feet around that. There we are. That's kind of like a sling for them to make them lie down.
Okay.
And it makes them rest. She'll go, well, there's nothing I can do, so I might as well just go to sleep for a while. I'll give her more drink when I get her home. Go there.
So what do you do in these bats?
Well, I live in an apartment, so they don't come to my place. I look after them just to stabilise them, and I'll move her along to another carer who's got a bat room and other bats, and she'll do a lot better with other adult females.
Yeah.
And because she's also got a baby, she's going to be quite upset. She's got a baby somewhere, but we can't let her go because she's quite concussed.
Yeah, all right.
She's really calm and she's not fighting me, and that's not good.
Yeah.
So this is the adult female I just picked up, and she was found on a construction site. Oh baby, you're not great, are you? And see how this eye looks wet? I'm just going to put some lubricating gel in it. I'm going to take her to the vet, but they can't do her this afternoon, not without a lot of trouble. So let's do that one as well. There we are. That might make your eyes feel a bit better. See how she's biting on the towel, on the roll? She doesn't like me touching her head. And you're covered in building stuff, aren't you, sweetheart? Okay, let's get you weighed. So you're 726 minus whatever you've got. 726 minus. Can you let go of the roll for me, sweetheart? Well, that's not helpful, is it? How about let's try and weigh you. Actually, I'm not going to weigh you. It's a bit stressful for you, so I'm not going to weigh you. We can do it later. You don't want to let go of it, you don't have to let go of it. So you're 159. Actually, let's see if I give you a drink if you let go. Can you let go of that for me? Because this girl is biting on the mummy roll, I'm not actually going to stress her by taking it away from her. She'll let it go when she's ready to. So, and I'm not giving her anything more to drink because she keeps snorting it out her nose. Can you let that go or not? Well, yes, kill it for me. So let's just give her some fluids under her skin. I think she's in significant pain, so we'll drop off at the vet and we'll see, when I take it to a carer, and we'll get her some analgesia, some really decent analgesia. She's around 500 grams, I think. 450, 500 grams. So that should be enough. It's about 10%. There we are. It's all right. Here we are. I suspect she's hit her face and she's maybe got some cracks in the facial bones. You hold on to that and let's get you to the vet and get something for pain for you. Good plan?